back to our channel Kids Happiness. So today I'm gonna review the sketch. We bought this from Hamleys Lulu Mall. These 4 packets are having different specialities. And one packet of sketch costs 7.99 rupees. But I prefer to buy the 4 packets because 4 of them are really useful and it's really nice. I got the sketch as my birthday gift. So I'll be reviewing it one by one. First packet sketch is Color Magic. Secret messages and crazy colors. New colors appear like magic. The demo will be after this intro. Next is Double Magic. Double the fun, colors are changed twice as if by magic. Wipeouts. Color in then wipe out. Color stackers. Add color layer by layer, even add light over dark. And this sketch is for 3+ years. But I prefer for kids about 10 years because the sketch may get damaged if not used properly. So you must know how to use it and you have to use according to that. In the outlet, there are some people wearing Hamleys t-shirt and showing how to do this. But at first sight we cannot understand anything. It's a bit confusing. I tried 1, 2, 3 more than 3 times and at last I got it how to do it. I think many tutorial videos are there reviewing how to use this pen. Look at the video, study it, and then you can use it for your chart work, school activities, to make birthday cards. This is actually a good investment. Money worth sketch pens. This is really good for doing chart works. I have done a demo how to use each box. Watch it and come back.
So here are the 4 sketches. So let's start one by one. First we have Color Magic. Secret messages and crazy colors. New colors appear like magic. So let's open them. So this is how it looks like. This is how the sketch looks. So here in this sketch you can see 2 colors, blue and fluorescent yellow. So when we color it, we'll get blue color. Sketch we are having a magic pen, and when we color with that pen in the previous one that we colored with the blue color, when we draw over it, we'll get the color that is shown on the cap. Sorry for the mistake, it was not fluorescent yellow, it was pink, light pink. So this is how it looks like when we color it. Let's take another sketch and try it. So here I am taking a black and orange color sketch. So when we draw, we'll get black color. And when we use the magic pen, we'll get the orange color that is shown on the cap of it. Look at the magic it does. Let's try with another one. Here I take green and yellow. And when we use the magic pen, we get the yellow color. And that's how it does. Let's go to another packet of sketch. Here we have wipeouts. Color in, then wipe out. Let's open it. This is how the sketch looks like, and this is the magic pen. And rest of them are the color sketch. So here I am taking a violet. And I'm gonna write with the magic pen. Let's look how it goes. Wow, it looks really nice. So here I'm gonna write a message for you guys. I'm writing with a magic pen now. And next I'm gonna choose a color from the color sketch. And after that I'm gonna draw over it. I'm gonna choose black. Look how it shows the secret message. And I wrote, subscribe. Write another secret message for you guys. And now I'm gonna choose red. Like. And this is how it works. So let's go to another packet of sketch. Here we have color stackers. Add color layer by layer, even add light over dark. And the packet looks so nice. Let's open it. This is how the sketch looks like. And in this sketch there are two types of sketch. The white are the light colors and the grey colors are the dark ones. And when we do this, the light color sketch will come up, and the dark color sketch will come down. So I'm choosing the violet and blue color sketch. Next, I'm gonna take the pink and the blue color sketch. Now I'm using the light ones. So when we draw the light ones over the dark ones, the color of that will highlight really nice, better than the ordinary sketch. Look at that. It looks really nice. And this is really good for your projects, activities, etc. So next I'm gonna take blue and orange colors light sketch. So here I'm gonna show first, in this one first I'm going to do with the light color. And I'm gonna take the dark green and red color sketch. Look at that, how the light color sketch come up and the dark color will go down. Look at that, it looks really nice. So now let's go to the next one. Here I'm having double magic. Double the fun, colors that change twice as if by magic. And the packet looks really nice. And this is how the sketch looks like. Here we have two magic pens. And these are the color sketch. So I'm gonna take one of the sketch and it's written 1 and 2. That means the color on the tab will be shown by the sketch that have the magic pen that have shown number 1, and the down, and then the down color where the 2 is written, and that color will be shown when we draw with the magic pen number 2. So let's try one. So I'm gonna color with the violet color sketch, and I'm gonna use the magic pen number 1. So let's look if I get pink. Wow, look at that. It changes its color by magic. So next I'm gonna use the magic number 2. And I'm sure that we'll get the color green. Wow. It looks so nice. This is really good for decorations. Next I'm gonna use green color sketch. And I'm gonna take the magic pen number 1. So here we get yellow color. It looks so nice when it changes its color. Now let's go to the sketch magic pen number 2. And here we get the dark green color. This is so nice. I will show you the difference of the light green and the dark green. Look at that. This sketch is so nice. So this is how the Hamleys magic pen works.
So for this video, hope you liked it. Give us a like, share and comment below. Subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.